Hello everyone. I am Avatar AF for Frank Liu, the top agent from Silicon Valley Results team of Alliance Bay Realty. Today we will tour San Jose Tract at Pepper Lane, developed by Pult Homes in 2012. Displayed here is the stunning exterior rendering of Pult Homes, a thoughtfully designed community of 365 luxurious townhouse-style condos located in the beautiful Berryessa district of San Jose. The homes offer unobstructed hill views, providing residents with a serene and picturesque living experience. Pepper Lane community combines the best of both low-maintenance condo living with many single-family home amenities. Townhomes feature 4 versatile, spacious and open floor plans across multiple stories. Private balconies, 2-car garages, and under-stair storage are just a few available features. The shared grounds include meditative and community gardens, playground, and a bocce court. When residents want to venture away from Pepper Lane and check out the vibrant San Jose community, it's all close at hand. The Pacific Coast, Redwood Forest, and Santana Rose restaurants, dining and nightlife are all just a short drive away. Pepper Lane unit sizes range from 1129 to 2006 square feet. Homeowner associate fee is around $213 per month, which may include insurance, maintenance, landscaping, pools, exercise room and more. In addition to paying HO fees, each community association will usually have its own set of CC&RS along with rules and regulations of the community. Over here is one of floor plan. Here is another plan. Let's take a look at the site map. Here is the chart to demonstrate the latest comps in the tracts. The average home price in this tract is around $800 per square feet. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Frank Liu. Here is the introduction of Pepper Lane, San Jose. If you have any questions, call or email me at any time. 408-828-0600 and frank.liu1268@gmail.com. Thanks.